Hi there. I'm here to advise and offer some guidance in creating a successful abstract and poster for our wonderful event, Public Health Research at Maryland 2022. We will be doing this in person, and it is a great time for you to put your research out there. As students, this is a platform to tell people what you're doing and what you've done. Every time you present a poster, it becomes another line on your CV, on your curriculum vitae, and there should be a section that says presentation, and boy, this is one that you can put there. So we invite you and hope that you will participate in this, and all good things will come from this. So some important things to note and important dates. The big one is March 28th. That is the day when you need to go to, what is this link here? Public Health Research at Maryland events. And you need to input your information about your poster. You are more than welcome, by the way, to put in for more than one poster, but each time you do this, you're registering a different abstract and poster. So March 28th is the big day to remember. Once you have submitted, block out in your calendar April 5th, from 10 to 1 p.m. That will be the time when you will present your poster or posters. We are very much hoping to have an in-person event, which will be held on the concourse of the School of Public Health. If we need to move into additional rooms, we will, and we'll notify you accordingly. A small subset of posters will also be presented in Baltimore on April 7th. We are looking into whether or not there will be an online option for that. So again, you can present work that is in progress or work that has been completed. The thing to note is that you will have to identify your primary and secondary categories. So you will identify this. We will not identify this for you. And there are 12 different categories. I've listed them here for you right now. And these go from everywhere from COVID to healthcare, access to care, to obesity, to tobacco. The one addition this year is we're doing innovative solutions to public health challenges. And again, we hope you can pick a primary and a secondary. Some insight here, the reason why you'll have these is it will help us in terms of judging your posters. Prizes will be offered for best abstracts and best posters. And the way we will do this is we will have judges who will be looking at specific categories. Judges will review both the poster abstract as well as your oral presentation. So you will get to discuss your poster with a judge. When you present your abstract, you need to have your background, your goal, your objectives, the approach or methods that you're using, your results or anticipated results, and indicate your importance to public health. So this is going to be in the written component abstract of your poster. Please note that this is 300 words or less. 350 words are not many words. So this should be very tight, succinct, and each of these sections will combine to be under 350 words. Your poster also will be uploaded on March 28th. You should note that we are doing something that's called Poster 2.0. This is a new way to present posters. It is a whole lot less text on your poster. What you're trying to do is grab the attention of the passerby and put your big, bold takeaway sentence about your study in a way that people will, if they were just walking by, they would get to know what your poster really was about. You can add some short sentences, and then you can also add your intro, your methods, your results, some figures, your discussion, and your importance to public health right there on your slide. Additionally, you can add a QR code, which will allow you to refer the person looking at your poster to more information. So perhaps you have an entire paper you've written about your poster and it's ready to go. Put a QR code and put a link for people to be able to look at your paper. Also, let's say you have a website or an intervention that further discusses your poster. Again, put a QR code to link that information to your poster. If you have a chance, I highly recommend watching the YouTube video about Poster 2.0. It'll give you some great advice about how to highlight some information. My name is Dina Borzekowski. I'm a professor in behavioral and community health, and I am absolutely available to all of you. So if you have any questions beyond these 5 slides or the material on the web about submitting your poster, do not hesitate to reach out to me. I will be happy to help. I'll be happy to take a look at your poster and offer you some guidance in advance of March 28th, when you will submit your materials. Have a nice day.